Hey everyone, it's Mia, and the theme on 7 Shining AGs for this week is the wonderful outdoors. And the challenge is become one with nature. So, can you see me? I'm guessing you could because this is all green and I'm wearing red, so it's kind of obvious. Ow, thorns, ow, ow, ugh! It wasn't the best idea to hide in there. Whatever, at least it's over. So, for this video, I am going to try to look for different bugs. Okay, so I'm just gonna be random and try to find a cicada. I'm gonna climb up the tree. Ah! It's a cicada! The shell, anyway. So, I'm gonna poke it with a stick. Hopefully it's just the shell. Yep, just the shell. Oh my god! There it is. It's gorgeous, isn't it? And now the most simple bug to find, a fly. Let's see. Okay, well, maybe it's not that simple. I know my first video was short last week that I made, and this one may be ending right now. I'm sorry, but yeah, I am sweating my butt off because it is like 90 degrees out here. So yeah, see you guys next week on 7 Shining AGs. Bye!